second night of Carnival, and tonight we're along the waterfront. You can see the skyline of Santa Cruz behind me. Tens of thousands of people have gathered here, and the parade is going to start from down there very shortly. It's at least a couple hours usually. The party will continue into the night with live music. The annual Carnival celebration in Tenerife is considered one of the world's largest. Casa del Carnival is a museum dedicated to the annual celebration where you could watch videos, check out some of the costumes, and kids could even come here to dress up and try out some of the different costumes. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button. And I want to thank everybody for tuning in, and I'll see you at my next destination.